Today we are putting AI to the test. We're gonna build and backtest a strategy using an AI-powered indicator on TradingView. But here's the real question. Is AI really better? We'll break down the backtest results, analyze the real data, and see which one is the best. Will AI revolutionize trading, or is just hype? Let's find out and let's jump straight into it. Go to the indicator session and type Volume SuperTrend AI, and open this one by Zerman. I did a modified version with some minor tweaks. You can get it in our website by simply adding it to your favorites. The visual representation is quite similar to the original SuperTrend, but the real difference between the AI version and the regular one is that the Volume Trend AI uses machine learning, a method called key nearest neighbors, to improve predictions. It's a simple way to make predictions based on past data. But how it works? It looks at past market data, and when new data comes in, it finds the most similar past data points. It checks what happened to them and guess what might happen next. It applies the same logic of past data to the new data, assuming that they will work in the similar way. Similar to the SuperTrend, the buy and sell signals are really simple. We're gonna go long whenever we switch from red SuperTrend to the green one, and it's also represented by this green point, while we're gonna go short whenever we switch from green to red, represented by red circle. So it's a really simple indicator to implement and build a strategy around it. Next, considering we are dealing with a trend following strategy, we're gonna add a trend confirmation that is based on a shorter period. I've used the ALMA based on a length of 20, and as you can see from the chart, it detects shorter trend periods. Like the majority of the trend confirmation, we're gonna open long positions when the price is above our moving average. Conversely, we're gonna go short when the price is below our moving average. Next, we can add volatility confirmation, which is based on the ADX, the average directional index, so that we're gonna make sure that there is enough volatility in the market. We're gonna draw a line at 20 level, and this is our threshold line. Whenever the ADX is above this level, we're gonna allow both long and short positions, making sure that there is enough volume in the market. To finish our strategy, we just need to set our exit rules, which are gonna base on the ATR bands. We're gonna take the ATR level at the moment of our entry position, and we set the stop loss at that level. While for a take profit, we're gonna set a risk reward of 2, so 2 times the stop loss distance. Okay, so we have talked a lot about theory. Now let's put into practice and combine all of this with our premium tool, the best tool for building strategies, which is our strategy builder, which allows you to build strategies in just 2 clicks and in just a few seconds. I already set it. As you can see, we have the main entries here from the volume SuperTrend for both long and short. Here we have our trend confirmation, here the volume confirmation, and down here the stop loss based on the stop loss ATR with a length of 14 and multiplier of 3, while the take profit is a risk reward of 2. As you can see, here we have a clear long position. We have green point from the AI SuperTrend. The price is above our short-term moving average, the trend confirmation, and the ADX is above our threshold line, the 20 level. If we check the ATR band, we can see that our stop loss is at the ATR level at the moment of our entry position, while the take profit, which is 18% in this fantastic trade, is 2 times our stop loss distance. While for a short position, we have red point from the AI SuperTrend, price is below the trend confirmation, and the ADX is above the 20 level. The stop loss is at the ATR level, while the take profit is 2 times our stop loss distance. That's wonderful, guys! Now that we have explained all the rules and checked that the implementation works exactly as expected, we're ready to dive into the backtest results. Here in our spreadsheets, we have many backtest results based on various assets and timeframes using this strategy. We're gonna analyze the top performing one. All the backtest results are based on an initial capital of $10,000, 0.06% commission, an order size of $10,000, a fixed order size of $10,000, and with 0 leverage, so 1x leverage. And as you can see, guys, the equity line is absolutely incredible. We have 304% net profit, 22.86% max drawdown, 86 trades, 48.84% win rate, and 2.016 profit factor. The net profit slash drawdown is absolutely incredible, 9.94, which is a really high value. I really appreciate it. We are backtesting more than 3 years of charts. We start backtesting at the end of 2021. The average trade is 3.54, another amazing value. Daily profit 0.26, which isn't so high because we are backtesting a lot of days and we don't have such a great number of trades. Expectancy 0.52, another amazing value, while the max win row is 4 and the max loss row is 5, so it's a balanced ratio. Max win trade 25%, max loss trade 12%. As always, we can lower this value by going in the risk settings of the strategy builder and set max loss based on percentage or currency. But for this strategy, we will keep it like this, by checking the buy and hold metric. As you can see, our strategy earned way more than just buying and holding, also because we earn more from the short side rather than the long side. In fact, we have almost 200% from the short side, while we have around 100 net profit from the long side. Also, the monthly table is good, because like all strategies, there are good periods and bad periods. In this example, we have some losing months, but the majority are profitable, so we can be happy about it. But the real question is, how does the same strategy with the same settings perform based on a normal super trend? I've done some backtests just by changing the main entry based on the super trend, and as you can see guys, there is a huge difference, at least on this asset and time frame. We have a net profit / drawdown of 0.42, while the previous was 9.94. The net profit is 41%, the max drawdown is 75%. So just by looking at these two metrics, we could potentially discard this strategy, at least for the max drawdown. Maybe we can optimize the parameters, because at the end of the day, we still have a net profit of 41%, but of course, no one can afford this high max drawdown. We can certainly say that, at least for this backtest comparison, the AI super trend wins the challenge. The machine learning algorithm did a good job. If you're wondering how to do this comparison, you can just go here in the layout and change the layout. You can set here the symbol, the interval, and the crosshair if you want to synchronize also these two lines when you move the mouse. So I think that this kind of comparison is really interesting and fun to challenge this AI indicator. Let me know in the comment section if you use other AI indicator or if you want me to backtest other machine learning indicators. If you find this video useful, you can consider watching this other video just right here.